The main objective of applied information is life saving.
Applied information is the unique idea in the market as well as the world.
Connected vehicles technologies, vehicles talking to everything. In terms of technology, we are far ahead in the game.
Working for something for a greater purpose, and as we know that AI, we are working for road safety and saving people's life.
Our Indian office is really important for us. It allows us to develop technology at a rapid pace. We have offices in the United States, in India, and also in South Africa. And that gives us this workaround that we can continue developing new technology all the time.
We help in everything. We are involved in every project.
I think I have worked on almost every projects that Applied Information recently has. So I have worked on the Modbus, I have worked on the SunGuide APIs, working on the Glance, and there are many more stuff that I've worked. Well, the team we have here is awesome. Everybody is awesome.
So what happens in the other companies, they don't know what the other person and next person is doing. But here, everything is all interconnected.
In applied information, all members like a family and we able to communicate.
I mean, there is no designation differences. We are equal.
Culture of teaching people is very good. So team are surrounded with me and help us to implement this thing like this way. It's a good environment here.
In weekly, we have activities in Friday. We are participating there in cricket tournaments also.
So we have tried to make such culture here that everyone feels at home kind of things.
Here there is no pressure and everyone understands. And management is very good. And they give me work from home when I need, when I can't come to office. They are very helping. So I like it here.
I really admire Brian. I mean, he's super active, man. Kind of man, knows each and everything. He is a techie guy. He is running things really great, really nicely.
When we have group discussions with my friends and I tell them like this is technology I worked for, they have never seen such things in their life. They just got, it was amazing.
So many good things like ambulance, wrong way detection. It's an amazing feature. I'm very proud to work on this application. We are saving the lives.
Applied Information में आपका स्वागत है.
Applied Information में थारा स्वागत है.
आपको अच्छा लगा इधर देखकर हमें. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਅਪਲਾਈਡ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ.
Welcome to Applied Information India.